it's Maxine at Fabricland. Today I'm going to show you about our Jubilee craft kit. But if you like and subscribe our video, everybody gets to see it. So we have got an apron and oven glove kit. So maybe you would like to have this for the barbecue, for the man in your life, or maybe the lady, who knows. So this would look lovely for the Jubilee, but we have other designs as well. We've got the Jubilee Tea Dress kit using this pattern, but again there are other designs. If you didn't want to go all out like me, you could maybe, there's spots and flowers, all sorts of different things that we've got that you can make this up with. We've also done for the Jubilee our lovely Arthur the Grenadier and Jack the Gonks. We're selling these really well, so everything comes in the kit that you would need to make him. He would look gorgeous as a decoration on your table or for the barbecue that you're going to have over the Jubilee. And what about a bucket hat? Maybe you could make these for the festivals this summer. Doesn't necessarily have to be Union Jack, but again, we've got a kit on our website, so come and have a look at what we've got and get crafting. Goodbye.